So you have produced the girl or girl or boy, so it's your responsibility. Then everybody will come, Maharaj, Gurudev, oh my daughter marriage is not happening, so please give us wealth, money, we need this for. So everybody will do like this.
And to very advanced Vaishnavis with mundane problems, is this not good?
The horse was of less price, and the rest of the money he used for him. He spoiled that money. So this money he kept in his pocket or he used somewhere. So according to the rule, there was a punishment for him. So when punishment was needs to done, so he have to be fell down from some big height. So ministers they gave this suggestion to the king Pratapruta that you should give him punishment because he used the money, he spoiled the money of the king, so he should be punished. So he was on the big height, and then all the devotees they went to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that he's Rai Ramanand brother Gopal Patnaik. So Rai Ramanand is your dearest devotee. So he requests if you will say to Prataprut, then he will he will not punish him. So if Mahaprabhu will say to Prataprut that you should not give him this punishment of death, then when all the devotees were insisting to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that this is mundane things. I am sannyasi. Why you are speaking me about? Why you are asking me help for mundane things? Because he he steal the money of Raja king, so he should be punished. And this is not my matter. Like if there is some fight between the brothers or in family, so what sannyasi can do in this? If you take loan from some person, if you are not giving it back, so what is the role of sadhu in this? You took the money from some person and you used it, you misused it, anyhow you used it, you used for business or anything, you misused it. So what is the role of sadhu in that? Mahaprabhu is asking the same, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu becomes so angry that I am sannyasi, why I should help in all these mundane activities. So, he bought the horse. He gave less money, but he, like Raja, king he gave 10,000. Like 5,000 he bought horse and 5,000 he kept for him, and he misused that money. He didn't show to the king. So you have to suffer for that. So so Mahaprabhu is saying in this way that sannyasi, they should not interfere in grahastha mundane activities, mundane things. Mahaprabhu he wants to say in this context that sannyasi, he should not interfere in grahastha mundane things. So Mahaprabhu wants to say this in a simple way. If everything will be solved, if you will do chant holy names, if you will chant holy names, everything will be solved. So Mahaprabhu wants to say like this. Mahaprabhu becomes so angry. Because he was not giving back king's money. I calculated that okay, the king he gave him 10,000 rupees, and he bought a horse for 5,000 rupees, and horse was not good, and 5,000 money, the 5,000 he didn't give back to the king. King gave him 10,000 rupees, but he bought it for 5,000, and that horse was not good, and same time he was not giving back 5,000 rupees to the king. So king Chaitanya Mahaprabhu become so angry. So in this way all the sannyasi will do like this. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu what is showing, that sannyasi responsibility, he should not interfere in grasta mundane activities. Then if he will interfere, then how he will do bhajan? If he will, how he will do his bhajan, or he will just involve in all interfere in everybody grast mundane things. So sannyasi's job is only to bhajan, so you should not interfere. So you can pacify, okay, no problem, this is your problem, but you should not interfere, or you will interfere in their fight, family problems. They are marrying the girls. There is one sanstha, like one organization. What they are doing, they are helping to marrying the girls. They are doing like combined marriage, together, group marriage. There is one society, and what they are doing, their job is to, the girl who is not able to get married, like because of the wealth or the money, so what they are doing, there is a group marriage. So they are giving the money for, they are arranging money and everything for the girl. That is called like group marriage. So this is like social work. They are doing this social work. Who is not able to, that person is poor, some person is poor, and he have daughter, he's not able to get the marriage of her girls, so they are arranging this group marriage. They are doing all these things. I'm saying opposite. Shadi means barbadi. Shadi means barbadi. Like shadi is like if some person is not getting married, that is good. If person is not able to get married, that is good. We are saying opposite. So marriage is like giving your life in the fire. If person is in sad, we should help him. If the person is getting married, then they will produce a child. Then the child will. Then they have to take care of the child. Then the person can do bhajan. You see, the hair become grey. Then the person become bald, no hair. This is happening or no? What is the benefit in getting this marriage? Wife is saying, today we have so much problem in the house. We have no food. The son have no clothes. How much we are worried, like we have suffering. So husband is saying, I am the source of all the suffering. Husband is saying that I am the root. Why? Because if I didn't get married, then no child, no wife, nothing. So husband is saying that I am the source of all the suffering. So wife asking, wife, if I didn't get married, then no child, then not you. Then there is no suffering. If a person is getting married, then all the sufferings, then the child is there. There is so much headache.
है कि नहीं है?
there is suffering or no?
कितने पैसा
How much money need to spend, and money is going where nobody
कोई
knows.
बेटा घर से पिता माता के लिए तो घर
And that same child that left, leaving the family, mother and father, leaving them alone.
और तो कहेंगे पिता माता के सारे संपत्ति हमारे नाम में
And what people, when the son they are doing, they will say to their parents, give us all the wealth property in our name, and they are killing their parents also. These things are going on. So what is the benefit?
हम तो कहते हैं जिससे शादी नहीं हुआ उसका अच्छा ही
We are saying that if somebody is not getting married, that is very good.
क्या करते हैं
Another sampradaya, if they are not getting married, so they are helping to get married.
और उसको बोलते हैं सामाजिक काम
That is called like group marriage. They are saying that we are doing social welfare. So
हो गया तो रिस्पांसिबिलिटी लेना पड़ेगा
so if somebody is already get married, so he should take responsibility.
नहीं हुआ उसको लिए बोलो
So I am speaking about that who is not married.
बच्चा पैदा किया उसको देखा पड़ेगा
That if you have produced a child, then you have to take given them education. So you should take responsibility.
बात तो बोला
If somebody is already married, then you should take responsibility. If there is child, and then you should give them proper education and knowledge, everything. Then sanskar properly. If doesn't nobody have, if somebody is not married, then why you are jumping in the fire?
है कि नहीं आप चिंता है कि नहीं
You have so much stress or no?
सब समझते हैं
I understood everything,
ऊपर से
but
लेकिन बोलते हैं, ये होने से पहले नहीं समझते थे हैं शादी होने से पहले नहीं सब समझते हैं
you understood everything before getting married. Also, you know everything. You are able to say everything or no?
संगत नहीं हो पाई अगर संगत नहीं पड़ेगी
If you don't get association, but still you can see by your eyes, we are thinking that it will not happen with us. Everybody is thinking, what is the surprise that day and night?
इस प्रकार जो जीवों की जो है
How this day and night?
महाभारत बदल की मास्टर जी ये आपको हम देख रहे हैं
And every day we are looking that how the jivas are in this three guna, adhyatmik, adidevik, adibhautik. They are involved in this and they are suffering. Who is happy in this world?
आपकी बेटा
Your son. You have son or no?
बेटा देख रही कि नहीं कि हमारे पिता कितना
So son is looking at you that father is so much suffering. Son is looking at
पता
the
है
son knows everything.
दादी के दुख और
Son knows the suffering of the son. A son knows the suffering of the father. He
वो देख रहे हैं हमारे पिता
he is looking. Son is looking that how much suffering my father is.
स्ट्रगल कर
How much my father is struggling for the family. He is looking or no? That my father, he is going every day morning time, and then he is doing office, and sometimes he is taking the food and not. Sometimes he is able to rest, and coming in the evening. Sen.
किसी को तो माया
So that is called Maya. Maya is making the jivas to do all this thing. Son is looking at the father that he is suffering, but he still will marry. So what is this? Maya is making the person to do this thing. Everybody knows that this world is dukmay, like full of miseries and sufferings. Everybody knows miseries and sufferings.
कोई शादी नहीं करता तो जो उसके जो कष्ट है कैसे भोगेगा मतलब प्रीडेस्टिनी की भी बात हुई थी तो हमने पूरी जब जो पाप किए जो अपराध किए वो हम कैसे भोगेंगे क्योंकि हमें फिर स्टार्टिंग में हमने हरि नाम ले लिया बाला करने सन्यासी बन गए हमें दुनियादारी से कोई मतलब नहीं तो वो फिर वो कर्म मुझे कैसे आगे आएगी क्या वो सब बैलेंस हो जाएंगे या आप भगवान के नाम पर
If you are chanting the holy names, then by Namabhas everything finish. So that's why Lord is saying,
साधन भजन क्या बोलेंगे यानी से जब मुक्त हो जाए
by sadhan
ये
bhajan,
हमारे लक्ष्य नहीं है।
by the sadhan bhajan, everything this
आपसे मुक्त हो
finish, this karmas. So our goal is not this liberation. What is after the liberation? What is after this liberation? We have to, our goal is after the liberation. After liberation is prema. You have to understand this carefully. After the liberation, what we need? We need love.
मुक्ति हमारे अंतिम ये नहीं
Liberation is our not last destination, our final destination. After the liberation is prem, and our goal is love. So Lord, what He is doing?
फिर परम पर रख देते
He is keeping your like ordinary this karma karma fruits.
शरीर नहीं रहे,
If there is no body, then how we will be able to do bhajan?
हमें एक कुछ न कुछ कष्ट होना
So if there is body, then you will have some suffering. Lord is giving these sufferings,
ये हो क्या बोले आरती हो
so we will
भगवान के
feel.
प्रति कुछ है क्या बोले कष्ट में लोग भगवान की जो है
Because in suffering, then they are taking the shelter of the Lord. But if some person is happy, they are not. They don't want to take the shelter of the Lord. Then they are so like a small child. He don't know anything. But the small child is also in problem, he will say that please Lord help me. So that's why Lord is giving suffering. So Lord, what is doing? He is giving little bit of this karma. So that's why he will have this curiosity to take shelter of the Lord. That's why if some person wants to take the shelter of the Lord, then all the karma is finished, and he's just keeping little bit. Because if no karma fall, then no karma fruits, then no body.
जिसमें सांप जैसे माने स्किन को छोड़ करके किसी
So like snake is leaving the body, and then snake is leaving the body. So in this way, when the time will come, the person will leave the body. So these sufferings this suffering makes us closer to the Lord. So in Mahabharat, context is there was 17 days war, 18 days already passed, and then 17, and then he was 18 days. On 18th day, what Krishna was doing every day, he was coming down from the chariot every day before. But today, on the 18th day, Krishna told to Arjun that you came before, then I will come. So Arjun was sitting on the top and Krishna was sitting down. So Arjun asked to Krishna that every day you are coming out from the chariot every day before, but now today are saying to Arjun, he's saying to Arjun that you should. Today is like 18th day. Now war is finished, and now you are like already with every day. Arjun. So Lord is saying that before Krishna was coming before, and then Arjun. But now today he's saying that Arjun, you should come, then I will come. Because Krishna, before coming out from the chariot, he was keeping his garland there, because there is no difference between garland and me. But now there is no need of chariot anymore. So that's why I'm saying you to came. And then when the Lord came out from the chariot, same times the chariot was burned into ashes. What does it mean? If you are doing sadhan bhajan, if the person is not achieving the siddhi, so there is some karma fruits. Lord is keeping that karma fruits. If there is no suffering, then they will not. Then the person will not become humble. Why? When this humbleness comes, when there is suffering. When there is suffering, then only this humbleness comes. When some person has this suffering, then that person is saying that I must have done bad activities in the previous birth. That's why I am suffering. So that humbleness comes when. So Lord is giving these sufferings so that person can become humble. You understand? So humbleness is subsidy क्या गुरुदेव? This love is So when the person is getting suffering, then the person is thinks that I must have done some bad activity in the previous birth. That's why I'm suffering. So Nanda Maharaj is saying that maybe in the last previous birth I must have done some bad things. That's why Krishna left me. So Nanda Maharaj is crying. So Nanda Maharaj have any bad activity? He have any previous births sinful activity? So but still Nanda Baba is saying like this. Nanda Baba he have done any sinful activity, but Nanda Baba he is saying that I must have done some bad activity in previous births. That's why Krishna. That's why resultant Krishna left me. This is humbleness. Because of this humbleness, when it becomes mature, then a person gets love. You understand? If person gets suffering, then the person is going to the Lord, taking the shelter of the Lord. If somebody have thousands of crores of rupees, millions of rupees, then that person is not going to the shelter of the Lord. So that person, the rich person or who have so much wealth, that person is saying, oh, we will do bhajan, we will do bhajan. So that's why. So you should do Bhagavad Bhajan. Mahaprabhu is the different pastimes of Mahaprabhu, and there is different teachings like Gopinath. Gopinath Patnaik, what he did with the king. Sannyasi should not interfere in mundane activities. You should do sadhan bhajan.
ठीक है
Some people are saying that, oh, Gurudev, my daughter is not getting married. And Gurudev is saying blessings. Oh, okay. So inside he's saying, if your daughter is not getting married, it's good. If you will say in front, then they will be like become like angry that why Gurudev is saying like this. So the people are saying that my daughter get married in very rich family, but he don't know. People don't know that if shadi is like barbadi, like shadi is like everything finished. Barbadi means like everything is spoiled. So that's why I'm telling this katha. After the marriage, the daughter is holding the mother tightly. That mother is crying, oh, and the husband is saying that okay, come back, okay. So mother is specifying to the daughter that today my cry is finished, and the husband cry starts from today. This is true or not? Yeah, husband's cry. Like to whom she got married, like mother is saying to the damad, I don't know. Son-in-law. Yeah, son-in-law. To mother is saying to son-in-law, now my cry is finished, and from today your cry starts. Now from today you have to cry. So Maya is making happen everything. Maya is making us doing everything. By Maya's Rajagun, people are doing like these things. Maya is forcing us to do all things. So that's why if person have Sukriti from many births, that's why then a person is able to get this renunciation. If no Sukriti, we are teaching to the person, but still he cannot understand if he doesn't have Sukriti. Why you are not going?